This has been going on for 2 days, just thousands of seagulls. And it's because there's been a fish fly hatch, and I think because the sun isn't out and the wind isn't strong. Usually they're gone during the day, just a nighttime thing, you know. But they're still going strong. It's about noon. The fish flies and the birds are just feasting. It's really cool to watch. I mean, there's thousands of seagulls swimming by. Unfortunately, I think this one ate too many or swallowed a fish hook or something. It's the first time I've ever seen a seagull dead on the shore. But God only knows what happened to him. I'll get rid of them. I'll throw them off somewhere and the foxes will eat them tonight. I'll put them, toss it by the fox den. It wasn't there last night when I went to bed, so God only knows. But I don't know if the camera's picking up these fish flies, but there's just millions of them, billions of them probably. Wow. Looks like the ducks are, everything's feasting. I've seen chipmunks eat fish flies. We got seagulls chilling with ducks over there, just probably so full they can't move from eating these things for the past couple days. Pretty cool. I think it's quite fascinating because there's two mating right there. You see that? You see that? And then they'll drop to the water and lay their eggs, and then the cycle continues. Pretty damn cool. The biomass of protein from these bugs. They say it gets right into the soil too, like everything benefits from the trees and the plants, and the deer that eat the tree, all the animals that eat the trees and plants, you know, the whole food chain is like on steroids from the biomass of bugs that hatch out of this lake every night. And usually these would be gone when the sun comes out. It's pretty rare to see this during the day. Real rare, actually. Amazing. Well, back to work I go. I just thought I'd get this on film. I think it's quite amazing. And we look at it just bugs, but everything else looks at it as just an abundance of food. And that's what these seagulls are doing. They're just flying around eating them. That's what everything's doing. Quite amazing. I don't think the camera's doing it justice. It's you see it in person, it's kind of amazing. It's quite remarkable. Well, hope you all enjoying your day. Back to work I go. Talk to you later.